Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Raid Shadow Legend application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download the Raid Shadow Legend game on your Android phone, then the process is quite easy. Simply go ahead and check if your Android device is connected to a stable internet or not, and once it is, open up your Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Raid Shadow Legends and search. Soon after you find the application from Plarium Global Limited, tap the install button to begin the downloading process. Wait until your Raid Shadow Legend application gets downloaded, which will only take a few minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the play button to launch open Raid Shadow Legends on your Android device. That is how you can easily download Raid Shadow Legends using your Android. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.